Should we be concerned with areas of white residue on the concrete ceilings and walls of a condo parking garage? What maintenance should be done, if at all? Yes, the white stuff you're talking about is efflorescence. The bubbles in the champagne that make your nose tingle is effervescence. Efflorescence is salts coming through the concrete. So it's water that flows through the concrete, it pulls out salts, it shows up like a white, you'll even get stalactites and stalagmites, whatever's hanging down. First of all, keep a quick eye on it. Do you see it dripping? Is there a lot of water coming through, or is it just the white stuff and no stalactites? All of a sudden, now you've got, what do we have now? We have a common area called the parking garage damaging my property. So who pays for what? And who covers my insurance deductible for my car to get my paint redone? Yeah, take a look at it. If it's dripping, if there's a lot of water coming through it, we definitely got to get to that, because water flowing through concrete will hit the steel reinforcing of the concrete. Steel and water don't get along. So check the waterproofing on top.